Welcome to section 5, where we're going to be looking at what's new in Swift Package Manager and also discuss other minor updates to Swift 5. The first Package Manager feature that we're going to be looking at is called the Dependency Mirroring, which is a new feature in Swift 5 where you'll be able to have access to a dependency even if the original source of the dependency is no longer available, so that you can continue to build your project. There are 3 reasons why you may want to mirror a dependency. The first of these reasons is availability, so that when the original source is unavailable or when it is deleted, you can ensure that your dependency will always work because you have a mirror. The second reason is cache. If the original source is very slow to fetch, you may want to cache it locally, so you may want to use a mirror for this purpose. And finally, you may want to mirror a dependency to test it before you make it available in your project for all your users. Swift 5 added the dependency mirroring feature. You can enable it through a package configuration file. Another feature that Swift 5 added to Package Manager is the platform deployment settings. Swift 5 allows you to define the minimum required platform deployment target version in the package.swift manifest file. You can state the minimum required version of the platform for your package. For example, you may want the package to be used in iOS version 12 and above. Swift 5 also added support for commonly used target-specific build settings, so that if you have multiple targets in your Xcode project, you can have different build settings for these targets. This gives you a lot of flexibility in how different targets can have different build settings and different behavior for the package. These are the 3 major changes in Package Manager in Swift 5. We have the dependency mirroring, we have the platform deployment settings, and finally we have the target specifics build settings.